Earthiens. We didn't know they existed. Not until now. Not before what they did. Every species in the universe evolved in time, steadily, methodically, from one major discovery to another at the right place in their development. That's how it has always been. That's how it should be. Our mission is simple. Monitor all intelligent life, guide them when the time comes, and welcome them into the Galactic Council once they've reached the necessary thresholds of civilization. When they are ready, when they meet the requirements, we contact them. We share with them our infinite knowledge, our accumulated wisdom. It's a process that has worked flawlessly for eons. Until now. You see, when a new civilization becomes a potential candidate, our universal artificial intelligence scanner for intelligent life sends us a message. It's usually something routine, like, new potential civilization discovered in Sector 5 on a planet orbiting Xinox star. Classification, 0.6 on the scale. Supervision required. At that point, we begin monitoring their progress, silently observing as they climb toward the threshold score of 1 on the scale. That's when we make contact. But today, something was off. The message didn't follow protocol. It didn't say 0.6 or 0.8. It didn't even mention a number close to the threshold. Instead, it said, new civilization discovered in Sector 8, planet orbiting Sol star. Classification, 4, immediate attention required. I froze when I saw it. A 4? Impossible. Nothing escapes our scanner. Not the faintest flicker of progress. Not the smallest leap in technological understanding. We would have seen this species growing, evolving. But this was unheard of. Somehow, a species from a modest solar system had skipped 4 major steps on the evolutionary scale. The council was in disbelief. How? We couldn't wait to find out. Sophones, our autonomous probes, were dispatched to the surface of their planet immediately. We made them visible and unmistakably alien, large enough for their primitive eyes to see. They needed to know we were watching. The data streamed back quickly. The Earthiens had just achieved a breakthrough in artificial intelligence, an achievement so monumental it was bending the laws of natural progression. They had created a supercomputer, as they called it. But that wasn't the worst part. They were 1 step away from creating singularity. Singularity, the force that could shatter the very fabric of the universe. I can still remember the stories from our elders, whispered warnings about the dark. Days before the council existed. Back then, when my species first discovered singularity, it almost destroyed us. It almost destroyed everything. For eons, we fought to contain it, to destroy it wherever it appeared. We became the galaxy's silent guardians, ensuring no one else could repeat our mistakes. And yet, today we failed. The Earthiens defied impossible odds. They nearly succeeded, and they must be stopped.